Hello and welcome back to the channel, and just a quick video, and it's about buying these connectors off various websites. Basically, I've got one of those HP9CV antennas from Wemo, and effectively the two elements, you got these SO239 connectors on it, and it all connects up. I will do a video at some point. Anyway, I noticed that mine wasn't functioning properly. The SWR was jumping up, and on one of the elements, the soldering had broken off. Not quite fantastic what you need, but I thought, well, you know, I'll try and resolder it, and I was having issues doing that, so I thought, well, I'll just order some more connectors. And I found a bit of an issue. I went on to Amazon to get a pair, not looking where the shop was located, ordered them, I think this was before Christmas, and they were taking quite a while to get here. Didn't really twig until I looked back at the order, and yeah, ship from China, nearly a month to get here. And while that was taking its time, I went on eBay and found the exact same connector, UHF SO239 female 2-hole female jack 1-bit flange, whatever. And I was having issues soldering it. Well, soldering it was fine. It was screwing onto the element. It's like a standoff, like a washer thing, and the screws. And one end was screwing, but the other one wouldn't. So I thought, well, what's the issue? It's the same right connector, but this one I got off eBay off an English seller, and if you can quite well see that, the camera just adjusts it slightly. This one from the English seller, UK seller, it's slightly bigger, and I've not measured them. The hole for this one, UK seller, is the right size either side, and the Chinese one slightly smaller. Now I stupidly believed, and I really assumed that they will be the same size, same spec. It's a connector, it has the same size, it fits the same plug, it'll be the same. It's not. A Chinese knockoff. There's lots of genuine things out there, but for every genuine thing that is out there, there's probably about 10 or 20 fakes, so buyer beware. And I fell into a trap, so I've got two crap ones, which, well, for this purpose it's useless, but I can find another purpose for it. Maybe if I build my own transceiver one day. Not today. So yeah, buyer beware. Buy from a reputable seller, and not just some shop on Amazon selling random crap from a country where it's going to take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month to get here. Yeah, I thought I'd do this quick video, just like buyer beware, and you're probably aware of that anyway, so yeah. I will do a review of this Wemo HP9CV antenna, 2-meter FM on SSB. So there is a SOTA challenge at the moment for 2016, and that's use 2-meter SSB CW and 77's SSB and CW. But as I don't do that paddle bashing nonsense, it'll be a single sideband. So I might even do a video on that. Probably not. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thumbs up and all that stuff that Evan keeps telling you to do. Subscribe, blah blah blah. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.